Hello everyone. Today's topic is Web Analytics Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about Web Analytics Training, roadmap about course, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles and responsibilities, training program. Now we are discussing about course. Web Analytics. Course is designed to help professionals, marketers and business owners understand, track and analyze website data to make informed decisions. This course focuses on equipping learners with the necessary skills to measure website traffic, evaluate user behavior, and optimize digital performance using various analytics tools. Participants will gain insights into key metrics, reporting techniques, and data interpretation strategies to enhance online presence and marketing effectiveness. The course covers essential topics such as the fundamentals of web analytics, the importance of data-driven decision-making, and the use of popular analytics platforms like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics. Learners will explore different traffic sources, user engagement metrics, and techniques to improve conversion rates. Additionally, the course delves into campaign performance analysis, search engine optimization, insights, and paid advertising analytics, enabling participants to track the effectiveness of digital marketing strategies. A key component of the course is hands-on experience, with tools like Google Tag Manager for event tracking and advanced reporting techniques. Participants will learn how to create dashboards, generate meaningful reports, and visualize data for business stakeholders. The course also emphasizes conversion rate optimization, helping learners understand how to analyze and improve website performance for better user engagement and higher returns on investment. Web Analytics course is beneficial for digital marketers, business owners, data analysts, and professionals looking to enhance their skills in data interpretation and marketing optimization. It provides a competitive edge in the job market, offering practical knowledge through real-world case studies, quizzes, and projects. Now we will learn about eligibility criteria for Web Analytics Training educational qualification. There is no mandatory degree requirement, but having a background in marketing, business, IT, or data science can be advantageous. Students, graduates, and professionals from any discipline can apply. Basic computer and internet knowledge. Since web analytics involves tracking online data, familiarity with using the internet, web browsing, and basic computer applications is essential. Understanding of digital marketing, while not mandatory, prior exposure to digital marketing, SEO, PPC, or social media marketing can help learners grasp concepts more quickly. Analytical and problem-solving skills. A keen interest in data analysis, problem-solving, and making data-driven decisions is beneficial for understanding web analytics. Experience with websites. Those who have worked with websites, content management systems like WordPress, or e-commerce platforms will find it easier to understand web traffic and user behavior. No coding knowledge required. Most web analytics tools do not require programming skills. However, familiarity with HTML, JavaScript, or SQL can be useful for advanced tracking and customization. Professionals and entrepreneurs, business owners, marketers, and professionals from various fields who want to optimize their online presence and improve marketing performance are ideal candidates for this course. Next, we learn about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Web Analytics Training Web Analyst. Analyzes website data to improve performance, track user behavior, and optimize digital strategies. Typically earns an average salary of $55,000 to $90,000 per year. Digital marketing analyst tracks and evaluates marketing campaign performance using analytics tools to measure ROI and engagement. Can expect to make between $60,000 to $100,000 per year. Conversion rate optimization specialist focuses on improving website conversion rates through A/B testing, UX analysis, and performance tracking. The salary range is generally around $70,000 to $110,000 per year. SEO and web analytics specialist analyzes and optimizes website visibility, search rankings, and organic traffic using SEO techniques and analytics tools. Typically earns between $65,000 to $105,000 per year. Business intelligence analyst uses web analytics data to provide business insights and strategic recommendations for marketing and decision-making. With expertise in data analysis, can earn between $75,000 to $120,000 per year. E-commerce analyst analyzes online sales performance, user behavior, and customer trends to optimize e-commerce strategies. Generally makes between $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Tag management and implementation specialist. Manages tracking tags using tools like Google Tag Manager to ensure accurate data collection and reporting. Typically earns between $85,000 to $135,000 per year. Web Analytics Manager leads analytics teams, defines data strategies, and ensures accurate data collection for business decision making. Can expect to make between $90,000 to $150,000 per year. The last topic is the training program. GoLogica Web Analytics training program is a comprehensive course designed to help professionals understand, analyze, and optimize website performance through data-driven insights. This training is suitable for digital marketers, business analysts, data professionals, and anyone looking to build a career in web analytics. The course covers both fundamental and advanced concepts, equipping learners with the skills to collect, interpret, and apply website data effectively. Participants will gain expertise in using key web analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and other tracking platforms to monitor web traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. The training includes modules on understanding key performance indicators, implementing tracking mechanisms, performing in-depth web audits, and optimizing marketing campaigns based on data insights. Learners will also explore conversion rate optimization, A/B testing, and customer journey analysis to enhance website engagement and business growth. By the end of the program, participants will be able to make data-driven decisions to improve user experience, maximize digital marketing ROI, and develop insightful reports for stakeholders. GoLogica offers this training through live instructor-led sessions, ensuring an interactive and engaging learning experience. The course is structured to include practical assignments, real-time projects, and case studies that provide hands-on experience. GoLogica provides flexible learning options, including self-paced and corporate training, allowing learners to choose the format that best suits their schedule. Upon successful completion of the course, learners will receive a recognized certification, which can enhance their credibility in the job market. The training is designed to cater to professionals from various backgrounds, helping them advance their careers in the growing field of web analytics.